Hi everyone, Gaurav this side. Welcome back again on this channel today. I am super excited as we have built an agent, a market intelligence agent that monitor 4,000 plus companies. These companies are those companies who have headcount of more than 1,000 plus people. So this agent directly monitor all these companies, their employees, their C-suite people, what these companies are posting. This agent provide a complete market intelligence over using these companies' data. Not only that, what hiring trends are there in those companies, what these companies are posting on LinkedIn, how many companies are hiring for a particular job role, or what is the market vitals about these companies. So this is the agent that we have built. It took us more than 3 to 4 months to building that. Now the question comes in why I'm talking about this and why this agent was built. So this agent was built for a company based in Australia, and the purpose was to get this company that I have built for to leverage using AI and to get ahead from the market. Now, this agent provide them a technology adoption in their ideal customer profile companies. Any companies of these ICP, when they hire, the agent gets notification and provide insight to that company that I'm building for. Not only that, this agent monitor all these people who are decision maker of these companies, what they are posting on LinkedIn, what they are commenting on LinkedIn, and everything around it, bypassing all the LinkedIn limits. So anytime when you want to interact with any person of a particular company, you just talk to that agent and the agent interact with that person on your behalf. It's as simple as that. Now let me take you directly to that agent and let me have you a walkthrough what we have built.
Now here we are in our Miro workflow. Here you can see this entire workflow of this agent. So we have built this agent using N8N platform and we have connected this agent to Google Chat. So Google Chat is a part of Google Mail where you can interact with the agent. Now you can see that this agent is connected to different pinecone. The pinecone is a vector database where you can store a data in a vector data format, and as you put a particular query, the vector data formats convert into text format, and then your agent respond to you with that your most semantic query. So this agent is built using the Pinecone vector databases, and here there are different tools that provides the data to these Pinecone vector database store. So these are the different modules that gets a particular data from the vector database and get you the information. So the one is LinkedIn Data Technology Extractor. So let's say if I'm a company, I provide data services, then I get to know that which ideal customer profile. So ideal customer profile is that the customers that I'm targeting to is using a particular technology. So if I'm providing data services, technology services, then I would be looking for a customer that are looking for services that I'm providing. So here, what we get to know is we extract LinkedIn data technology. And how do we do that is by using a base of 4,000 plus companies. Then we extract their employees, and through their employees, we get to know that what skills they are using. And in their skills, we get to know that what particular technology they are using for particular company. So we directly get to know that what technology is being used by a particular company. So anytime when this company posts a particular job, my agent will give me a notification that hey, your ideal customer profile is company is looking for a particular job role and it is looking for a particular data technology, so that you can provide a service on that and you can reach out to the people. Now here you can see the second module. It is about the LinkedIn job extractor. So anytime when these 4,000 companies post a particular job, the agent have the understanding, have the data, what jobs is being posted by that particular company, and I get the direct information about that company. The second thing is, let's say if the company is not posting job on LinkedIn and they are posting on their website or another platform, then we are using another platform that is seek.com, where we get direct jobs from this company and all the data is being stored into pinecone. So here we are in the fourth workflow. So this particular tool is built to get the data from the all top leadership of a particular company. So as we have 4,000 plus companies, so this tool help us to get all the C-suite people, director, their top management, the top senior level of management, and top developers. So if you could just see, we are using a headless browser over there, and this scraps the data. The first it gets the data from company URL. Then from that it gets the data out of top C-suite people, and then it saves the data into Google Sheet. And from there we get the data into the Pinecone. Now here we have two methods. The one is that it gets the data using Rapid API. Another is that it extract their comments also. So not just their profile, but what they post on LinkedIn, what comments they post on LinkedIn, their post, every data that is related to their LinkedIn profile, we get it anyhow, which directly help us to reach, which directly help us to reach out to them by doing hyper personalization outreach methods. Now, here, the fifth one tool is the company LinkedIn post extractor, which let's say we want to outreach to a particular company, then we get to know using that tool that what history of posts they have done, so that when we reach out to them, we have their all the data, what they posting there, what they are posting, what they are commenting on LinkedIn. Then there comes the news extractor, and then comes the market to wrap. So this both two tools help us to get a particular relevant news about a particular niche, about a particular company, to get ahead. So to take the leverage from the market and to get ahead from the market. Now let me show you how this workflow actually uh, is implemented. So here we are in the NA10. Now you can see this. This is the entire agent here, which is connected to different Pinecone vector database stores. And these tools that we have gone through all gets data, extract data, and that saves directly into Pinecone. Now let you test how this agent is actually works. So I have tested this agent here. Now I'm asking a question that, hey, which company has posted a job on Snowflake? So this agent is responding me that these are many companies who have posted on a particular job role on LinkedIn. Now we can, let's say we want to reach out to particular position. So we can do this using the link. And here we can see that they have posted a job. That's how it works. Now, the second thing is, now let's say if we want to reach out to their employees of this particular company called Woolsworth, then it is getting me all the employees of these C-suite people, top management, data governance manager, their COO, chief operating officer, to data scientist, to data governance lead, and all the top leaderships. And now I can reach out to these people by just accessing their links. If I want to reach out to them, so let's say if it is asking me that, okay, type a name. So let's say I type Dario Streppel. Okay, now I type Darius Staple. So it is getting me their recent post that has been done on LinkedIn. So I can access their LinkedIn post, what they have posted on LinkedIn, what their post is all about. So when I'm reaching out to these C-suite people or any top leadership, I can easily make my outreach system hyper personalized so that they can respond me easily. Now, which increase their response rate. Okay, so this is how this agent works, and that helps not just to reach out to people, not just to understand the market knowledge, but gives you an entire system that helps you using your market intelligence, market vitals, helps you to reach out to people by accessing their knowledge, their information on LinkedIn, bypassing all the LinkedIn limitations. And that's the agent that we built for this company. So anytime when this company wants to reach out to any company that falls under their ideal customer profile, they can reach out to them, their employees, their the top C-suite level of people, and top intermediate level of leadership easily by just using this agent.
So this was the agent that we built for this company to provide it the market intelligence so that it can use this agentic system and leverage the AI to get ahead from the market. So this is how these agentic systems can be used to get you a competitor analysis, market intelligence, hiring trends, job applications, and a lot more things around it. Let me know what your organization need in the comment box. And if you are looking to build agentic systems, fill the form in the description box and I will catch you in the meeting. Also, if you like this video, share it with your friends or your group and let me know what you think about AI agents.